Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I've got a fantastic, well-engineered suspension kit to get your Ford Mustang ready to tackle some high-speed corners. This time it's from the team over at AFE, and this is their Control Series Stage 1 suspension package. Now, like always, in this video, I'm going to cover every single detail of this suspension kit from AFE, from its construction, what comes in the kit, and how it can drastically improve the handling of your Mustang. Alright guys, so like I said, this is AFE's Stage 1 Control Series suspension package for all 15 to 17 Ford Mustangs. This kit is perfect for the Mustang owner out there that wants to upgrade the overall stance of their car and also improve the handling. Now, the specific kit that I have with me today will fit all 15 to 17 Mustang GTs equipped with a Coyote V8 engine. However, AFE also offers this Stage 1 Control Series suspension package for all 15 to 17 Mustangs running either the EcoBoost 4-cylinder or the V6, just to make sure they don't leave anybody out. Now, as you can see from the workbench in front of me, this kit is very extensive, which impressed me for just being a basic Stage 1 setup. It includes both front and rear coil springs, thicker front and rear adjustable sway bars, and even all the new sway bar bushings. Now let's focus on these coil springs first. Like most suspension kits, the key to really increasing handling performance is to stiffen up the suspension, lower the center of gravity of the car, and also decrease any body roll. AFE specifically designed these coil springs to lower your Mustang 1 inch in both the front and the rear. Now, while this is really not a drastic decrease in ride height, I personally think it's perfect for the Mustang owner out there who daily drives their car and also likes to hit the local autocross on the weekends. This way your car's not so low that you're having issues getting over the average speed bump, but you still get a really nice firm ride, lower ground clearance to really help take some time off your autocross laps. Now, the springs take care of the ride height and the overall stance, but these sway bars are what's going to reduce any body roll that your Mustang currently has. AFE manufactures them by CNC bending lightweight tubular alloy and uses a 35mm diameter tubing for the front bar and 32mm tubing for the rear, which is considerably larger than stock. But not only are these sway bars thicker, they are also fully adjustable, so you can really dial in your suspension for your specific driving style. AFE also includes a new set of rear sway bar brackets and new front and rear polyurethane bushings, so they flex even less under really hard cornering. To conclude this review, guys, if the next box to check on your Mustang build is a suspension upgrade, but you're not quite ready to take the leap to a full coilover setup, head over to CarID.com right now and check out this great Stage 1 suspension kit from AFE and all the other great performance-proven products that they have to offer. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time.